Jakarta Composite Index dropped 0.98%, follow Asia market. Markets were mixed as the Swiss government engineered a forced takeover of Credit Suisse by UBS, marking the latest effort by governments around the world to stifle a crisis threatening the banking sector. Last week, UBS agreed to buy Credit Suisse for $3.2 billion, with the combined bank to have $5 trillion in assets. Shortly after UBS announced its takeover deal, the Fed announced it had joined with other central banks in a joint liquidity operation. The group of central banks, including the Bank of Canada, Bank of England, Bank of Japan, European Central Bank, and Swiss National Bank, agreed to increase the frequency of their dollar swap line arrangements from weekly to daily. And the instability in the financial sector over the past 2 weeks raised the stakes for the Federal Reserve interest rate decision on Wednesday. And today, there is about a 62% change of a quarter point increase by the Fed, while the other 38% is in the no hike camp, anticipating that Chairman Jerome Powell may start to ease his aggressive tightening campaign that began in March 2022 in the face of the emerging financial contagion. It was also made rupiah decrease to 15,375. It was also caused by the U.S. 10-year Treasury yields jumped 12 basis points to 3.52%, pulling away from the low of 3.369%. And crude oil prices also slipped due to UBS struck a deal to buy Credit Suisse, and some of the world's largest central banks sought to reassure and stabilize global financial markets. WTI crude oil price was down 3.28% and Brent dropped 3.18%. Meanwhile, spot gold price gained 1.41% to $2,001 a troy ounce. Now, let's move on to the top losers and top gainers of the day. First, the top losers were Goto, Bank MNC International, and Panin Financial. Meanwhile, the top gainers of the day were Aviana Sinar Abadi bersama Zata Jaya and Eratex Jaya. And tomorrow, index predicted in the range of 6,543 until 6,700, while rupiah will be moved between 15,300 until 15,400. I am Jessica, reporting for MGN.